I look at my fractions, which are my two parts of a whole, being as our fraction is the smaller portion, and I was wanting to try and figure out what this would get to. So what I did is I looked at my egg cartons and I drew out the half of an egg carton, which is 6/12, and then I added another 6/12 because it is the same fraction.
I was about to ask you why do you think it was 6/12, but you answered.
Well,
before
before I dropped my cap, and I was looking at my, sorry, I did not mean to say it. And I looked at my whole egg carton. I looked and I covered up half of it. And so by doing that with a different color, I found that this would be one half and this would be another.
Excellent.
And
perfect.
I know I did not talk about my denominator, but the denominator is the bottom.
And notice
part.
that they're equal denominators, so that's
Yes.
the kind of problem we did before.
That helped me figure that they were the same type of fraction.
And that was the reason I used that problem, is because I wanted to see whether you guys remember what you did before when adding two fractions with the same denominator.
Yes.
And it seems like you were able to do it.
And then I figure out that there are 6 here and 6 here, so that will give me the 12. And that is going to be out of 12, which is all of the eggs in a carton. And I reduce to 1/1, which is a whole.
Exactly.
Okay.
Great. Jesse, did you do it kind of the same way, or you?
Well, I think if I would have had more time, I would have drawn pictures as well, but I just used the egg cartons because they help.
Okay. But you were able to understand the answer, right?
Yeah.
And, okay, because I saw you were doing it and you had troubles with understanding why 1/2 and plus 1/2 equals to 1 when we have two number 2's. But I was able to explain to you, so, okay.
I know that.
Yes.
Did you want me to?
Absolutely, yes, you can do number 2.
I know that the red carton is the whole, all 12 spaces, and I would find the pieces that represented the fractions that in the problem. 1/3 being the orange section, and 1/4 orange section with 4 spaces. So 4 out of 12 is the fraction.
I have a question to you.
Yes.
You say this is 1/3 piece, right?
Yes.
How come it has 4 spaces? It makes me confused thinking that